Beautiful souls. If you're over 50 and wondering, is it too late to start something new? The answer is no. In fact, right now is the perfect time to launch a flexible side hustle, right from home. Whether you want extra income, purpose, or just a fresh challenge. Here are 5 side hustles you can start without tech overwhelm, even if you're starting from scratch. Got a skill from your past job? Writing, bookkeeping, customer service, even proofreading? You can freelance on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, set your hours, and work from your kitchen table. It's low cost to start, and you control your workload. You don't need to be a designer. Using free tools like Canva, you can create planners, journals, or templates, and sell them on Etsy. Once it's uploaded, it sells while you sleep. It's a smart way to create passive income with just a few hours a week. Declutter your house and make money? Yes, please. You can sell vintage, secondhand, or unused items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Once you get the hang of it, try thrifting and flipping items for profit. You don't need a teaching degree to help someone learn. If you speak English, play piano, or have decades of work experience, people will pay to learn from you. Check out Preply, OutSchool, or even offer services locally. Think beyond online. Pet sitting, errands for seniors, or home organizing. These are needed more than ever. Use apps like Nextdoor or TaskRabbit to connect with people in your neighborhood. Remember, side hustles aren't about hustle, they're about freedom and flexibility. You don't have to go all in. Just start small. Want more beginner-friendly ideas? Watch 3 online business ideas for beginners over 50. And if fear is holding you back, don't miss our video on overcoming fear of starting over at 50. Your next chapter can be your best one yet.